Hi, I'm Myra Padilla. I'm here to do some wings. Oh.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is International Spicy Food Day, and I'm gonna celebrate the best way I know how. Eating some chicken wings. So getting started, I have patted dry my chicken wings, and I've also scored them. That way they get all that good seasoning in there, and we're just gonna go right off the bat. I said it once and I'll say it 100 million times. There's more to life than salt and pepper. I'm so sick and tired of seeing these videos where all they put in their chicken is salt and pepper. No. Today we're going in with some Slap Y'all Mama. I like to do a dash of the bay seasoning. Gives it a nice little flavor. Garlic. You can never go wrong with garlic powder on your chicken. Literally gives it the best flavor. And I'm gonna coat these babies up because usually the skin just absorbs most of it. So I said they were patted dry because that's how I get them to be a little bit crunchier. You get all the moisture out. Another secret is baking powder. You can also use cornstarch. Sprinkle some of that on there, and you're gonna get some nice crispy chicken wings. All right, so once we have a pretty good seasoning in there, we're gonna mix this all up, get a nice coating. So basically, flip them over and coat the rest of them. A little more, just a teeny bit. And since we are healthy in this household, these I'm gonna make in my handy dandy air fryer that mi tia Lola gave me. Thank you, Tia. I seriously freaking love this thing. It's so quick. It bakes at like, all I have to do is press the chicken button and I'm good. So it bakes them for 40 minutes at 400 and something degrees. You can absolutely just put them in the oven, but they just get so much more crispier for me in the air fryer. So that's all you gotta do. Make sure your chicken's seasoned, throw it in the oven, and make sure you make a good sauce for it, like I'm about to show you. Okay, for the sauce, all we need is these two things. Some butter, throw them in a pan, make it boil. Oh my God, the best sauce you will ever have. Okay, our wings are done, our sauce is done. These things are crispy, okay? If your wings don't come out crispy, I don't want to hear about them. They're like... Anyways, we have our wings, we have our sauce. All you gotta do is toss it up and serve them. Final product. Brought Lizzie in to try it. Such a great volunteer.
I'm excited.
Dude.
Here.
You smell them and like se te atora. Cheers.
Cheers. Delicioso. I went to go see the movie. Dora, 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 Dora.
With who?
I said we need to go.
I really thought you said I went to go see the movie. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Happy Spicy Food Day. Go make some wings and make sure they're crispy.
Awkward. You're too little.